today we're gonna make my favorite snack. All you need is any kind of tortilla. You can use any kind. Any kind of cheese that looks like this. And then a plate. So all you're gonna do is gonna take some tortillas and just plop it, and then just do that to make it flat. Then flat here. You can just rub it too. Now we are gonna get a spoon, and we're gonna grab the cheese and open it like that. Oops. Okay, so now you're gonna take, a handful of cheese. You just sprinkle it. Sprinkle a lot of it, and then just flatten out with a spoon. And then next you're gonna do, you're just gonna fold it like that, flatten it out like you do with paper, and then just grab this end and then just fold it again like so. Now you have your own raw cheese burrito. Thank you guys for watching. I need you guys' help to get to 10 million subscribers. And on the day I get 10 million, we will celebrate. And I'll choose one of you guys. No, not one of you. I'll choose my cousin to be in one of the videos. And we're gonna party by playing Rocket League and Ascenders. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like the video. And help me get to, 20 million. Yeah, get me to 20 million. Bye.